Hi, welcome to this Autowave video for the Xhorse Key Tool Plus and how to register when you first get your device. So, when you receive your device, it will have some charge already in there. And what you need to do is turn the device on. Now, it's always good to have your password for your Wi-Fi ready and available, just because it's one of the first things that you'll be doing. So as it boots up on main screen, gives you a little noise. So you can select your language. We're obviously in England and English. As you recognise, you've got the Android buttons at the bottom. You can agree to the terms of use. So obviously you want to activate the device and bind it if you have any other devices, any other Xhorse devices. So let's start. So first of all, it will search for a Wi-Fi. Now I'm going to just put it on one of the open networks. Obviously we're at the Autowave headquarters in Nottingham, UK. So it's getting IP address, connected, but can't visit internet. Now it's connected. So we're connected and we've got full internet. So if you haven't got an account already, you can just register, which I'm going to do that way. It's a lot easier this way because if you've already got a telephone number attached to your Xhorse account, United Kingdom, I put my telephone number in and I'm going to drop the first 0. And if I hit send, now this will send a text message to my phone, as you can see there. The text message will have a code and then you need to enter your code. It's a 6-digit security code. I'm just going to log in using that that's been just texted to me, and it's verified successfully. So what will come up here is you've obviously got the device serial number, and now I'm going to combine it to my account. So I just need to select on the top here back to +44, which is the region that we're in, United Kingdom. It's got my telephone number, and now it's going to send me another security code. So security code has been sent. Once I put that security code in, I can combine the device, and it says device activation success. Now you can start to use the device, and what you'll see is that you come to the welcome screen and the main home screen, which is what will come up now every time you boot the device on once you've accepted the terms of use. So it's got on there obviously a brief introduction. If you just read through, it's got a whole host of features. You can obviously, it tells you what to do, press the buttons and whatnot, all the menus, and it's good to have a little read through of exactly what the device is capable of. Now you've read that, you can hit start, and what this will do is it will start the unzipping of the application file, which will then start updating the device. So the database is completed, it's downloaded, so it says it needs to synchronize. Every 30 days when you turn the device on, it will need to synchronize with the server. So that only has to be done once every 30 days. Obviously, as you can see, everything is currently unactivated. If I hit device synchronization, because I bought this as a full version, this will then synchronize with the server and activate all of my activations. And as more features come out, there will be other activations available. And it has synchronized successfully. So now you'll see that all of the activations are actually active. It expires in 34 days, so as long as I synchronize the device before that end of that period, which will just synchronize for another 30 to 35 days, then the tool will just continue to work absolutely fine. And then it's got all the actual database versions on there as well. So if you ever have any support queries and the actual firmware version you're on, what system version you're on, this is how you get to that. And just to remind you, you can hit update. It takes you to this screen, and that's where I would have hit device synchronization. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to check for updates. So it automatically went to device update. It's connecting to the server, and it shows you what updates are available for this tool. Again, this is worth doing regularly. So as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, sometimes the updates can take a few minutes, sometimes it can take considerably longer. So it's good practice just to do this, regularly in the evening or whenever you've got some spare time. Okay, so now all of the updates have been carried out. Always allow a little bit of time because sometimes the files are quite large. So now you've got the main screen and you're ready to use the device. Now, one thing that I would say is where you have this bonus points, it's already logged you in, but you'll still need to combine this device to your account. So you hit bonus points there. It will then load up all of you can click on combine device, it will load up all your combined devices, and what you'll notice is obviously it's got your devices, what bonus points have been generated, and then you want to add combination. So because you want to add combination, you want to send the security code to yourself. Then that will send you a text message. So now I'm going to combine the devices together. So this will then be added to my account, so I can share bonus points and it will be all as part of my account. So if I now go to my combined devices, I can see the Key Tool Plus is there with the rest of my devices. I can therefore share all bonus points and the activations. And there we go. Thanks for watching our Key Tool Plus introduction. The device is available at autowave.co.uk, UK's premier Xhorse distributor. Thank you.